Welcome, everyone.
Are you smiling? Are you smiling, Goober?
Give him the carrot right now.
Smile. Good job. Here you go.
Whatever language turkeys speak, he knows it. Alpacas are disrespectful towards everyone. He thinks he has the upper hand.
Hey, cut this out.
Delicious!
What have you done?
The kind of sass that cannot be contained.
Faye. Can you say hey? Hey?
I did not expect that.
Hey. One.
This horse has got rhythm.
You're funny.
You file my nails, I wash your hair.
All your options, Earl.
No cardio, please.
They're calling for you. No, you can't get back. No, don't get back on the bus. What the hell?
I'm about to be late for work. Peanut butter. What in the heck did you get yourself into? Are you kidding me right now? What are you doing?
Having fun?
Come on. Come on, let's get you out of here. We gotta untangle you. Come on, let's twist you around. Come on. Come on. You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at this insaneness. What? Come on, go. Hi. Come on, go. Hi.
A real farm love story.
Hey. What in the are you doing? Get out of there.
She's having breakfast in bed.
No.
Your own pig treadmill. This cow's named Chug. Can you guess why?
Can you feed him? Can you feed him? Because I think he's really hungry.
Yeah, I think he can see that.
Okay, feed him. Feed him, maybe he'll go away. Oh.
He longs to be an inside pig, but his farm needs him.
Oh, Lord, he's getting ready to go again. Uh-oh, he's backing up. Oh, man.
Bad idea.
Maybe I shouldn't have left the footbath like that. One is looking for the escape route. No. Please don't jump over. Just come back. No, you!
Sheep are not exactly known for following instructions.
Brilliant.
This duck loves to talk. This is how I find out goats can laugh. This girl knows how to have fun. The Supreme Shepherd has been chosen.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Do you have time to talk? Lord and Savior.
Cows can be scary when they want to.
Lord, where are you going?
He's gonna have you.
Anything can set a sheep off. Efficient. He likes his meal. Average day at the goat farm.
Did you get stuck, poor goat? Huh? Come here. Don't run away!
Turning around was a crucial mistake.
Hey, you're gonna break the patio.
Good idea.
Really? Cool. Morning! Hi! I do love you. Are you gonna get up?
Can't a horse just sit and think in peace?
Yay or nay? One has a bar.
Cows are just like dogs. Every group has that one guy. Forget raining cats and dogs, it's raining goats here. Foolproof alarm. When your cow doesn't like the new food. These goats think they're ducks, so they broke into the duck enclosure to steal their food. Straight from the source. Independence chicken. Ever seen a donkey that speaks English?
Good morning, buddy. Hi.
He's got snow on his whiskers. When you let your intrusive thoughts win. Ducks also have a favorite human.
Come on, Smokey. Good boy. Yee-hoo! Whoa.
He really committed to that one. That's one way to keep the fights at bay. Curious cows. I would be so intimidated by this. Goats in breeding season.
Come do it again.
10 out of 10 use of that slide. Never turn your back on a cow.
When it's raining and we can't walk, this is where everybody's at,
They've unlocked maximum zen.
looking at the rain, mad. But at least we're all together.
Running with the ducks' food? Not on their watch.
خرسك ده دماغك أقام جوز تاني أقام جان ألتقى سعيد تبقى ماذا
Vive la révolution!
أي stop الله
Rage baiting chicken?
What are you doing?
Merciless goat attack.
What are you doing to me?
Oh, so that's what free range means. With cows, it's never a dull day. She just wanted to have a seat. speed drinking hack. Top mode of transport right there. This cow decides when it's dinner time. She's got an itch that she cannot scratch.
Helping Dad fix the window.
There we go. Just have to see what I'm working with here. Hey, hey. Stand up.
The help the cow.
She was hired as help.
So helpful, Jenna.
There we go. Watch out. Thank you, kiddo.
Excellent.
Get off the car. Get off. I wanted to scratch it.
It's okay.
Viv,
She just wants to be part of the force.
go.
We'll see if insurance covers that. I got it all on video. It's fine.
Oh no, it's not mine. Mine is right there.
Okay. Well, there you go. Thank you. That's my hood, dude.
Viv, get off the car.
Now how did that get there?
Come down. Oh my days. No, no, oh, no. Not the roof. Not the roof. Not the f***ing roof. Oh, don't jump. Don't jump. Oh, mate.
Tom Cruise?
Come on. Come on, get back. Come on. You bastard. Jump.
They're just horsing around. Bull 1, Tractor 0. You can summon a sheep with anything that sounds like food, even beer. Flash dance, but for cows. I would build them an entire playground. Serves him right. Sir, you're not supposed to be in here. I mean, she's having a better summer than me. Even the dog's done with it. Maybe it's the brown outfit, but turkeys just do not vibe with UPS drivers.
Voor de film. Ja, zo ja. Zo, even voor de film. Even voor de film.
That ram has a plan. The chickens are addicted to horse food? This may be the most dramatic goose on Earth. Turkeys can't be real. Don't click off yet. If you love our videos, subscribe now and hit that bell. And wait, there's more videos for you right here on the screen. Just click on the one that grabbed your interest and enjoy. See you there.